How to get $100 Shein promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Shein promo codes and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I will be opening this one. Once you open it, you're gonna find tons of great deals and offers. You can just scroll down and check out. You can see that $40 off, 30% off, 90% off, and so on. You can head towards the option that is suitable for you. For instance, I will be selecting $40. So here's the coupon code. Now you can click on this option of copy. Once you copy this coupon code, now you can head towards the website of Shein, and whenever you check out, you can apply this coupon code and get the discount. I have selected $40 off. If you want to use this code right away, click on this option of visit Shein. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Shein. Now you can log into your account and select the products that you want to purchase, and whenever you check out, apply this coupon code and get the discount. Using this method, you can get up to $100 Shein promo code. Likewise, you are also able to check out other websites. These websites will also provide you great deals and offers. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can get $100 Shein promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.